This book, written by late Mr PN Ananthanarayanan on basic refrigeration and air conditioning, published by Tata McGraw Hills, was first published in 1982. This is the fourth edition. It was published in 2013, I think. This book, which I referred in 1985, made me an air conditioning engineer. Till 1984-85, when I was working in Mekon, I was not having much practical knowledge about designing of air conditioning systems. And it so happened that my boss told me that you will have to work on now HVAC systems. Before that, in Mekon, I was doing many other works, including water supply system, fuel oil system, material handling system, so many other things I was involved. But in 1985, I got the chance to learn and start working on detailed engineering of air conditioning systems. Of course, in engineering college, we had a subject on refrigeration and air conditioning, but for all practical knowledge, I didn't have much knowledge about air conditioning system design. At that time, I purchased this book. It was just 2-3 years ago it was published, and this book actually made me a very good air conditioning engineer. It covers almost everything about how to design, right from fundamentals, psychrometrics to doing the heat load calculations, then right from selection of equipment, and then erection, testing, commissioning, after this one servicing, everything it covers. This book, I think those who are already into air conditioning field, they are mostly might have referred this book. So based on this book, I am planning to conduct one 30 days session on air conditioning system design. And this book will be the main reference book, in addition to, of course, ISHRE publications and other material which we will be referring. And I want to take this opportunity to pay my tribute to Mr. PN Ananthanarayanan, who was a pioneer in writing such books in India. He left for his heavenly award in 2010, and ISHRE actually posthumously honored him by placing his name in the Hall of Fame. So it is an honor for me to conduct 30 days air conditioning system design session training program referring his book. And I was lucky also to have met him in one of the seminars conducted by ISHRE. At that time he was around some 76 or 77-year-old, and it was really great opportunity for all of us who were comparatively new in this field to have learned a lot from him. So I hope this book will make you also non-air conditioning engineers to pick up the basics and also detailing of air conditioning system design. So request you all to please let me know if you are interested in this 30 days program, and contact me on WhatsApp number 7739802112. Thank you very much.